This is the Corolla Cross GRS, top of the line. Pasukin natin agad. Tara. But, before we enter, of course, pakita ko muna tong side mirrors natin. Of course, this is the Corolla Cross GRS, the Sporty Edition with body kits. So, of course, being the top of the line, meron tong 360 camera. The 360 camera is available only at the top of the line Corolla Cross GRS. Kita mo yan under the 360 camera and the integrated signal light. Then, the design of this door handle is meron tong smart entry, of course. Going inside. So, I'm gonna make this quick. Actually, meron din akong video nito, vlog for the Corolla Cross V and the comparison for the Corolla Cross GRS. Pero kasi ngayon ko lang to, nagkaroon lang nagka-display nito sa showroom namin, and meron tong auto retract, manual retract, ayan, retract, I mean, the retract button and the fold and adjustment for the side mirrors and the window controls, right? So this is the design ng pintuan. Okay. Ang side mirrors nito, by the way, is meron tong blind spot monitoring. Very ideal here in the Philippines. Yan, nakita nyo? In the Philippines kasi ang daming motor. Diba? So, just to summarize this Corolla Cross GRS is meron tong sunroof. Yan, hindi lang siya naka-open currently, pero to summarize this versus the Corolla Cross V, the mid variant of the Corolla Cross is meron tong 360 camera, body kits, and yung stitching ng seats niya for the interior is GRS edition. So the mags design is this one, two-tone design. Yan, sobrang aggressive, parang siyang shuriken sa Ninja. Right? Of course, pare-parehas tong disc brake. Right? And the body kits here are these. See that? Yan. May 360 camera to, and the 360 camera, like I mentioned, is available only for this variant. And this one, this body kits. See? Right? So, ito lang ang black top design. Dalawa lang ang color choices for this one, ha? This one, the white pearl, and the emotional red. Okay? So, guys, meron tayong trade-in dito. Most brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. So, going back to the dashboard. Of course, ito yung gusto nyo makita. The dashboard. Yeah! Woo! Kita nyo? Right? And the headliner. See? So, under meron tayong adjustment ng headlight. So dito ma-adjust mo kung saan nakatutok yung headlight. For example, yan, nakatutok bababa, medyo nakatutok sa taas. So ginawa ko lang example tong pen ko. Then this one is the auto high beam. Exclusive din to madalas sa mga may Toyota safety sense. Alright. Odometer trip para makita nyo. This is the trip meter. Then meron tayong control here para sa tailgate. Yan. So this one is the cursor, of course, para ma-navigate mo to multi-information display. Okay. Nandiyan yung mga ibang settings. Okay. Energy flow. Then volume control for this one. And voice command, answer call. The back button when navigating this multi-information display. And this one is the cruise control. And mode shortcut here para dito sa stereo yan, sa infotainment. So this is the shortcut. When you press this, magsa-cycle ka between AM, FM, yan, Bluetooth. So this is the skip button. Alright. So dito sa aircon controls niya, kita niyo ba? Umaano yung LED light ko eh. So meron tayong auto, dual temperature siya. Alright, meron yan, no? Dual temperature. So, meron tayong front and rear defogger, off button ng aircon, eco, fan blower, level. Then, ito airflow, air circulation. So, ito yung aircon naman sa second row. Pwede mo siyang i-off. Alright? So, ito yung AC para sa temperature. Okay? So, this is very nice. Ako personally, gusto ko yung suspension nitong Corolla Cross. Napakaganda. So, this is the wireless charger. Okay? And then, the shift panel. Ito yung shift knob niya. Merong button here. Yan. Okay? So, dito meron drive mode. Pwedeng mas maging aggressive yung engine or eco mode. This one is the traction. Pwede rin maging full EV mode tong unit. Ito yung button. Pero take note hindi ito papayag mag full EV kapag mababa yung battery level. Alright. So, meron tayong ditong park, reverse, neutral, drive, and brake mode. Itong brake mode para kapag kunyari uphill. Alright. So, ito is the electronic handbrake. Just to summarize, electronic park. Okay? Para siyang handbrake pero push button na lang. Then this one is the auto hold. Para tong auto handbrake. Alright? To summarize this, ilolong press mo yung brake. Alright? Para mag-handbrake siya automatically. Then, once na pag-apak mo ng gas, naka-disengage na automatically yung handbrake mo. So, meron tayong dalawang cup holders. In the middle is meron tayong yan. Right? See that? Okay. So, yan. Meron tayong white stitching. Kita nyo? So, patingin nga ang itsura ng glove box. So, nice. And, of course, meron yung GR. Kita nyo? Nice. Being the top of the line of the Corolla Cross. So, dito sa headliner, meron door function, lit, and lights dito sa left and right. Ito yung open and close ng sunroof. Okay? So, naka-disconnect yung battery natin. Kaya, ayan. Okay? So, check lang natin mabilis yung second row. This is the second row. Meron tayong hawakan dito. Cup holder para sa window. And then, same design ng pang-open ng door. So, itong second row na to, hindi na to movable, guys, ha. This is fixed. Pero itong sandalan mo, pwede siyang ma-adjust. Okay? So, meron tayong aircon vent dito. Okay? Then, sa ilalim, meron dalawang Type-C charger. Alright? Yan, kita nyo, may lagayan ng files. So, this is full leather. So, this is the badge GR. And meron tayong 4 na sensors. 3, 4. Right? So, by the way, meron itong built-in dashcam. Dashcam and rear camera here. Merong app na that for, tinatawag namin yung Toyota DVR. Right? So, super nice. So, ito yung front dashcam niya, guys. Can you see that? Yun. And this is the front sensor for the lane departure, lane assist. So by the way, yung Corolla Cross V and G, hindi ganito yung grills niya. Actually, this is the classic grills for the Corolla Cross. That's the Corolla Cross. If in case meron tayong old unit, pwede natin i-trade in yan. Punta lang kayo, pwede nyo akong tawagan, pwede namin kayong bigyan ng quick appraisal. Pero of course, that's not the final, guys. Right? Bye!